A very warm good afternoon to everyone. I am Tanishka Rajput. Me and my team members Shivam Yadav and Saurabh Singh has worked together on a topic augmented reality and Project Glass. We are pursuing our education in computer science and engineering from ABS IT Ghaziabad. We, first year student of section 3 from ABS IT Ghaziabad, would like to thanks to our teacher Miss Anjali Dubey for giving this opportunity to us so that we are going to present a topic augmented reality and Project Glass. So the content is here. What is virtual reality? What is augmented reality? Virtual reality versus augmented reality. History of AR, augmented tracking, future of AR, Google's Project Glass, future of AR, Project Glass. So guys, what is virtual reality? Virtual reality VR is a simulated experience that can be similar to or completely different from the real world. Application of virtual reality include entertainment, example video games, in education, example medical or military training, and in business, example virtual meetings. Other distinct type of VR style technology include augmented reality and mixed reality, sometimes referred to as extended reality or XR. Let me tell you what is augmented reality. Augmented reality, an artificial environment created through the combination of real world and computer generated data. Augmented reality was initially designed for medicine, military, and maintenance purpose. So, companies interested in mobile development such as Nokia, Qualcomm, Google are willing to fund research on AR. Virtual reality versus augmented reality. Virtual reality is also represented by VR, a computer generated interactive 3D environment in which a person is immersed by virtually, interactively, and immersively. Now, augmented reality is also represented by AR, supplements the real world with the virtual computer generated object that appear to coexist in the same space or the real world. Now, my team members Shivam Yadav and Saurabh Singh will give you the further information. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Saurabh Singh. Now I am going to tell you about the history of augmented reality. So, head mounted display HMD was discovered by Ivan Sutherland in 1968. Idea behind 3D display: perspective image which changes as the user moves. Kinetic depth effect: change experience must be the same as the image of real object, must appear 3D without a stereo. Global pointing system was discovered by military in 1993. Wearable wireless webcam was discovered by Stephen Mann in 1994. Turing machine was discovered by Steven Finner in 1997 in Columbia University, New York. Battlefield augmented reality system bars were discovered in 2000. iLamps was discovered in 2004. It is an enhanced projector that can determine and respond to the geometry of the display surface to create a self-configuring display. Shape adaptive display, object adaptive display, projecting content onto a recognized object. The invisible train was discovered in 2004. It is a multi-user AR application for handheld devices. Players control virtual trains on real wooden miniature railroad track. Magic lens metaphor. Players can interact with the game environment by operating track switches and adjusting the speed of their virtual trains. Common goal of the game is to prevent the virtual trains from colliding.
Hello everyone, I am Shivam Yadav from section 3. I am going to tell you about the augmented tracking and future of augmented reality. So let's start with augmented tracking. Augmented tracking. Tracking is the name given to an AR application's attempt to recognize and follow the physical object of the scene. George Klein. Three kinds of tracking and augmented reality: marker based, non-texture or pattern recognition, parallel tracking and mapping. Now I am going to discuss about the future of augmented reality. Google's Project Glass. Blue Sky project by Google's mysterious research and development arm, Google X, Project AIM, to augment your everyday experience by superimposition a layer of visual indicators and directly onto your field of vision. Natural language voice commands. Google's Android operating system, if for a smartphone, could be a wiser. Like here we can see a picture showing a future of AR project. Now future of AR project glass. Provide 3G or 4G wireless connection, more of a concept than an actual product. Mounting the device onto prescription glasses, UI problem, interaction through a wristbands with haptic feedback. Now come to the conclusion. Augmented reality. Overplay computer presented material on top of the real world. History of AR. The head-mounted display HMD. Augmented tracking. Future of AR. Google's Project Glass. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.